everyone, we are going to cook Peynirli Börek, that is traditional Turkish pastry. You are seeing its ingredients at the moment. 5 pieces of phyllo dough, a kilo of white cheese, a cup of milk and oil, 2 eggs. If you wish, you can also add parsley. We mixed oil, 2 eggs and milk. We are spreading oil for our tray. We are spreading out 1 piece of phyllo dough in the tray. We are putting the mixture. We are spreading the mixture. We put the second phyllo dough. We are adding the mixture again. That is the third layer of phyllo dough. We are adding the mixture again. After spreading out the third layer of phyllo dough, we are adding the cheese. You need to spread out each part of dough. We are spreading out the fourth layer of phyllo dough, and then we are adding mixture again. That is the fifth layer of our dough. So we are adding mixture again. In this point, we divide it into 2 pieces of phyllo dough. We just put half of phyllo dough, and then we are adding cheeses again. That is the half of phyllo dough. We have covered our börek. That is the last layer of börek. So we are spreading the mixture again. We have covered our börek. The appearance of our börek. We are adding the mixture again. If you wish, you can also slice like this before putting in the oven. That is optional. We cook the börek 200 degrees Celsius, approximately 45 minutes. That is the last appearance of our börek.